Hello, I'm Mike Ingram, Technical Director with Cryostop Pipe Services. I'd like to share with you a story on a recent project involving a hospital which was almost forced to evacuate all their patients due to an extreme heat wave. On a recent July 4th holiday, Cryostop was called for an emergency job at a hospital in Virginia. Imagine the problems created in a hospital on the 4th of July when a faulty AC system is threatening to shut the hospital down and critical patients may have to be moved. The temperature outside was 100+ degrees for 7 days running. Here you see the hospital maintenance supervisors overseeing the project and its success. As we proceeded on, little did they know they were going to be in for a pretty big surprise. It's not every day you open up a chill water piping system and pull out an electrical cord. Here's a tip for you. If you ever see an electrical cord coming out of a water piping system, don't plug it in. Do what they did. Follow it back to the source, up the pipe, up to the butterfly valve, and you'll have a good idea why you've got a faulty butterfly valve. Upon taking that valve out, it was not only a faulty butterfly valve, we found a faulty 4-inch grinder. You see this guy shaking his head in disbelief. He can't believe they found a perfectly good grinder in a pipe. Well, come to find out, this grinder was probably left in the pipe by the original construction worker. In fact, they found his brass ring where he checked out the grinder. I wouldn't want to be that guy. The new valve being installed, now the hospital maintenance workers can now fix the root problem, which was a faulty bellows expansion joint on the other side of the pump. Now it can be repaired and the hospital not shut down. Whether it's an emergency job like this one that you've just seen, or just an everyday routine project, Cryostop will be there for you. Give us a call 24/7 at 866-452-0448. This is Mike Ingram saying thanks for giving us the time.